Hey guys, Bill at Brady Instruments here again. So today we wanted to touch a little bit on temperature compensation. All hydrometers manufactured here at Brady Instruments are manufactured at a particular temperature base. So when it comes to testing a fuel, as many of us know, if you're at 32 degrees, you'll freeze. At 212 degrees, you'll boil. The thickness of your liquid will change up and down. So today we're working on our Bobcat. We figured we'd take a diesel fuel test just to show you a little bit of the temperature compensation. Our fuel reading is approximately 832 and our temperature is reading 81 degrees, which is a plus 0.002, which gives you a 0.834 temperature corrected specific gravity. And that's how temperature compensation charts work with your hydrometers.